what got you into marketing? Because I joined the Powerhouse Mastermind, right? Because I knew nothing about marketing, right? We own a call center and we do text messaging, SMS, postcards, but it's not marketing. Now I'm like going down the Den Kennedy, Alex Hormozy, Russell Brunson,
Yep.
all of the like real marketers learning how to copyright.
Yep. Yeah. So I started marketing, I think it was when I moved back here in Arizona, like 2012. My uncle, he owns a staffing software company, and I came and worked with him while I was going to community college at the time, finishing my degree. And he basically gave me a book on constant contact and told me to figure out how to get more people to buy his software. And it's an expensive software. Like, it's not like, he's selling, it's a subscription. Like, staffing software is like 40, 50 grand, plus he charges 20 grand to come out and do build outs and set up all the systems and your printers and all this stuff. So it was like pretty high ticket stuff. And like, we had, he'd go to trade shows and we had, hundreds of emails, but we couldn't figure out how to turn that into money. So then I started just booking us for trade shows, taking those emails and then just dripping people videos and like how to make their business more efficient. And then that just led me down a rabbit hole of like learning about copywriting and email marketing and then running advertising. And from there, that like you just get sucked in. Obviously, like you get sucked in that vortex of marketing. It's like, oh, but this guy and this guy. Then you start reading like old guys from the ad days where they're writing campaigns in newspapers and magazines. And you're like, the oracles of marketing. And then you start looking at new age stuff and putting it all together. And it's super fun because, again, me being competitive, like from sports, like I just wanted to figure it out. And like, this is a way for me to make an impact on business. Cause I saw, how it helped my uncle's company out. And I saw like what the impact was that, for other people when I started doing like little freelance gigs. And I was like, yeah, this is definitely what I want to do. So.